they talk to me. I'm a wine whisperer. Shh. As I'm walking through these shelves, you know, as I'm walking, these wines are talking to me. Guys, stop. I cannot do inventory with everyone just yelling at me. I will get to you when I can. Please stop yelling out your grade, how great you are. I will get to you. I just love the stories they tell me. I mean, they tell me so much about themselves. Yeah, I mean, I completely understand. Shiraz. Hey, stop. It's his time. He's on the floor. It's his time. Do you want to be put back on the shelf? I will sell you a wine text for 70% off. You gotta stop it. Go ahead. And the Primitivo was just telling me where it came from and how it gets confused for Zinfandel and how Americans call him Zinfandel, but he's really a Primitivo, but then he has fights with himself because he's really from Croatia. So we'll get to it. Honestly,